we too can experience that heightened sense of awareness that makes us realize that we are none other than the God that we are seeking. But we want to also experience what it feels like being Jesus or Sai Baba or any of the masters that we have known or we love and we follow. And what is the difference between these realized beings is that they experienced the oneness of consciousness. They experienced that they were not separate from all that their five senses were perceiving. And that we have not reached that level of awareness where we can also experience that oneness, that one flow, that one presence which pervades everywhere is the truth.